Hello everyone, welcome to the Clipboard AI series. In this video, I will show you how Clipboard AI extract data from different invoice format and paste it into Excel sheet under proper headers. Let's get started. Look at here. So here I have three invoice format. Okay, I have three different invoice format and I'm going to use Clipboard AI to extract the data from different format of these invoices and paste it under this respective headers. Okay, before that, just go and look at each invoice format and let me open this. And so here I have a one invoice format, and from this I'm going to extract invoice number. Okay, invoice number, then invoice date. Where invoice date is located? Yeah, here it is, 60904. And the ship to address is, this is ship to address 18 Prince George Drive. So this is ship to address. And what is next? And then I want to extract bill to address. So this is bill to address. So then total amount. Okay, so the total amount is here 2028. So now, so here you can able to see there is a label called invoice number. Okay, the bot can able to extract this invoice number, and the date is also fine. So there is a label called date, and there is a ship to address. Okay, this is also fine, and the bot can able to extract. And the bill to address, yeah, it's fine, and it can able to extract. But what about the other format? So look at this other format. Okay, here. And here the invoice number. Okay, so here the invoice number label is different, and also it's located in a different place. And the date is, so here there is a date, but look at here. So here there is no ship to address and bill to address mentioned here, but we have two address. One is this one and other one is this. And mostly this two address, no, it's become ship to address. The bill to address, and this become a ship to address, correct? And also I can see here the total amount is 8963.77. okay, and look at other format here. Okay, so this is the other format, and also the labels and the data are located in a different places, and invoice number is here, and the invoice to and the ship to. Okay, but here there is no bill to address. Okay, and where is the date? So I think here there is no date. Okay, that's fine. And let's see, is there any total amount? Okay, so in this invoice there is no total amount mentioned here. Okay, let's see how the Clipboard AI extract this information and paste the respective information into respective title. Okay, and let's go to the first format. Okay, and now, okay, fine, now I'm going to this Clipboard AI tool. First you need to select the window, then go to Clipboard AI, and here it will automatically ask you copy window. Okay, just copy window, and it takes some time to analyze the document and extract the content from the document. Okay, and now see, we have to paste it somewhere else, right? So then go and select this title. Okay, this particular place, then go and see here it's become paste in Excel. Okay, now I'm going to paste the data. Okay, and it's analyzing these fields and directly pasted here entire information. So look at here, and this is the ship to address, this is the bill to address. So once again, let's verify this. Okay, the invoice number is 99044, and the invoice date is 6/09/2004. Yes, it's exactly extracted. And the ship to address is, so US Northland. So this is the ship to address. Okay, and you can see the full address here. Let me expand this and let me make it like this wrap text. Okay, and this is also okay. Now the bill to address is okay here. Okay, it's exactly extracted, and the total amount is 20208. Okay, Now my clipboard AI, it's exactly extract the data and paste it under correct title. Okay, let's go to other format. Okay, so the next format. Okay, then do the same, select the window and go to copy window option. Okay, and it's analyzing. So then go and select this area. Okay, this area, and then go here, paste it in Excel. Click on this, paste it in Excel, and there is a option. This is called the mapper. Okay, and here you can able to see, so what are the fields. No, it's matched with the data and the invoice number, the invoice date, and the ship to address and bill to address total. So here the clipboard AI unable to fetch the ship to address because there is no clue on the document. And here if you click on this drop down, and it will give all the details, which is extracted from the document. And here look at, is there any other address here. So look at here, there is a vendor address. Vendor address is ship to address. Okay, this is how you need to map it to improve your accuracy. So now so the total amount is 8963. Okay, so I have verified everything, and all the details looks fine. And here look at here. Okay, so here this clipboard AI automatically detected this document as invoice. So that's the reason it's extracted the details like an invoice. Okay, which is no predefined model. It's like document understanding. So it will it will link with the AI center with a trained model. Okay, and if you want to change the document type, and you can change it. So look at here. So there are many document format here: invoice, passport, receipt, ID cards, and utility bills, purchase order. So in the next video, I will show you each format document type, and we'll see the accuracy of the document extraction. Okay, and also we have the other options. So if you want to extract the data from articles, contracts, or research papers, emails, any free form text, and you can use this format. And so other if you want to extract some kind of tables, and you can use this form, you can use this option, and you can extract the data from various documents mentioned here. And also, and there are semi-structured document also, you can work with this. Okay, and now we are good to go. I'm working with the invoice because since it is invoice document format, and that's it. Now I'm going to click on paste data. Look at here, it's pasted in the third row. Okay, it's observed that. Okay, so here we have the headers, and I have to paste it under the exact headers with the correct data with the next empty row. Okay, now it's fine. Okay, it's extracted and pasted all the details here. So what about the next format? Okay, so let's check the other format, and go here, do the same, and select the document, and go to clipboard AI tool, and click on copy window, and it's analyzing your document type and your document data. Then okay, it's copied the data, and again I'm going here, and I'm going to select this data. Okay, and now I'm going to paste it in Excel. So once I click paste it in Excel, and see, it's asking again. So the data mapper is on, and it's detected this document as a purchase order. Okay, so this is not a purchase order, and this is again invoice. Okay, so look at here, it's extracted some details. Its assumption was like purchase order, but not purchase order. So I'm going to click on this change, and here I'm going to choose invoice option. Okay, it's getting loaded based on the invoice document format. So look at here, it's exactly matched with the invoice number 24567. The invoice date is 2004-68, and where it is mentioned 2004, I'm not able to see, but let's see. And so here ship to address. Okay, ship to address is here. Okay, invoice. So let me move this. Alright. Okay, ship to address culture, Wander Canada. So here this is ship to address, and here the bill to address is. Okay, the total amount is So here there is no total amount here, so leave it as it is. Now click on paste data. Okay, so it's pasted here. So where is the date? So invoice date is here. So look at this, how easy it is, right? Usually how we will do this kind of work by manually, right? So manually we have to go this document and we need to look at, okay, invoice number is here, okay, and also we cannot copy this because since it is an image, so we need to see this invoice number and we need to copy it here. Not copy, we have to manually type it here, right? 99044, same like no, we have to manually type after seeing this document, right? Now using this UiPath Clipboard AI, we can overcome this manual copy paste and manual typing, right? So you can just one click, so you can do just one click and just copy the data. The AI model automatically detect the data from this invoice number and then it automatically detect the headers. So then it will paste the data under the correct title. How easy it is. Finally, we can conclude that the Clipboard AI works good accuracy with various invoice documents. In the next video, I will show you how the Clipboard AI works on other document formats. Thanks for watching and write your queries on the comment section. I will happy to assist you. Happy automation.